So we're gonna put one of these over here so that you can't see the that. We're trying to hide that. So it's a two-step process. First we're gonna put the Gorilla Glue right here. This is Gorilla Glue. That's gonna go on the top of this, and then also at the same time we're gonna put it on the ceiling. And then when we push it up on there, it should stick. Gorilla Glue right there, check it out. Product placement. Right, so here's the process. We're going to glue one of these Velcros on there. And then are you going to glue this to the other Velcro?
One to the ceiling and one to this Valence.
Oh, I see.
And then
So how many do we need?
Just three.
Three?
One. These
so
are all
put
the same.
One there, and one there.
Why are these? Oh, it's that side.
That's more than three. Well, you got three there. Well, you need three because you need.
I need the sets.
What about these? Do these come apart?
Honey, that's what Velcro is.
Oh, that's one.
This is 1, 2, 3 right here.
Oh, so these three you're good.
Yes.
So because this is the top and the bottom.
Correct.
Okay, we're gonna save those Velcros. Gorilla Glue and Velcro. That's the only way to go. So we've got to get. What is that right there?
That's okay.
So that's gonna go there. Oh, but what about the glue? Oh, you're gonna put the
It
glue?
has glue on it, which didn't stick, surprisingly.
So we're gonna use Gorilla Glue. Okay, that looks good. It's a lot of glue. Gorilla Glue really works good too. So you got to get it right. Come on now.
Stuck.
Stuck to your finger? Get it right on there. You got it. It's okay if it goes over a little bit.
No, it's not, because it has to line up with the ceiling.
Oh, I knew that. Well, I mean, if you don't get the whole thing on there.
Right. I mean, most of the way it has to line up with
Okay,
the
so
ceiling.
that's one. So number two.
Where's the other side?
I don't know. What'd you do with it?
I cut 3 pieces. You saw me have 3 pieces here. Did
Yep.
it fall?
No, it's right here.
Oh.
It's right there.
All right, that's one.
I guess it doesn't matter which side's on which, right?
No.
You gotta have good fingernails to get those apart. There you go. Right now, Gorilla Glue it. Now this time we don't need as much,
yeah.
right? We really over glued it last time. But you gotta have enough, right? Okay. Looking good. All right, here we go. Gotta get it right in the middle there. Bam, done. Okay. Next one.
We'll do them all the same.
And what do you call this? A valence?
Valence.
A
It's
Valence?
type of Valence.
Liberty Valance? He shot Liberty Valance. He was the bravest of them. What happened? Oh. Oh, you're putting more on this one.
No, just
Yeah.
swirl it.
It's got to go here. There's where we got glitter. Let's get it down there. So that's that. Now we got to put them on the ceiling, right?
No, now we wait for hours until this is completely dry. Oh, yes, and now I put those on the ceiling, yes.
So we're gonna wait for hours for this to get.
Like tonight or tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll do
All right.
it.
But we're gonna stick
Nice
the other
and
ones on
hard.
the ceiling right now,
Correct.
right? Okay. All right.
Shorten up.
Let's go do the window now. Here's this one right here. You can see it.
So hard to get in here.
That's what we're gonna do. All right, here she goes. She's gonna do those. I'm gonna go outside so we can see it better. I think you can do it.
I'm hoping this won't matter. I don't know.
I don't think it will. So you got a little shelf to work on there. Gorilla gluing it. Okay, now this is the tough part. Getting it up there. You can do it. Nice and straight. You gotta go back. You gotta go farther this way. You can do it. Just get your head in there. Got it? It's a little on an angle, but smush it down because there's a little bubble in it. I think that's gonna work.
I hope so.
That should be okay. Let's do the next one.
I did this before and it's totally off, but
Doesn't matter as long as it gets the Velcro. I thought you had to go back towards the this
I go
way.
right in front of the dot.
Oh, I thought you had to go behind the dot.
No, right in front of the dot.
Okay, let's do the other ones.
And a little closer to that side.
You got to get in between there. Okay, looks good. All right, put her up there. Got to be in between the dots. Good thing you can slide it a little bit. You may need a napkin. There's a little bit of drippage.
I should have taken it down.
It's okay, we're already there.
No, I just don't want the glue to drip on the shade.
As long as you get that on there, you're fine. Are you cool? Looking good. I think you're good. Looks good. All right, we got it done. Now we just got to wait for it to dry. Here we go, we're putting the valence up. Now the question is, let me get out here. She burned her hand, but she's gonna, all right, okay, we're going up and we're just gonna connect it to the Velcros up there. She burned her hand on a curling iron. Oh my God. You're there, you got it. Now you gotta pull the blue tape off.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, so should we leave the tape on? It looks nice. Probably should have pulled the tape off before we put it up. Yep, that's it. Uno, doso.
Is that flush against the ceiling? Kind of, like the other one?
Let's look. Yeah, it looks like the other one. You're not gonna get it complete. Yeah, they look.
But it's okay?
They look the same. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if you're satisfied with the other one, you'll be satisfied with this one.
Yeah.
Got it?
All it's meant to do is hide the mechanism of the shade, you know?
Right, and that's how you use Gorilla Glue to put up these valences, I think is what they're called. Check out our snowflakes for Christmas. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.